Are you new to options trading? Do you plan on making a lot of money? If so, then these are the top 3 indicators you'll need as a beginner trader. Up first is our RSI, or Relative Strength Index. This is a momentum indicator that will fluctuate between the values of 0 and 100, and basically is going to let you know if assets are overbought or oversold, meaning to you that you should either be buying right now or selling right now. Up next is the EMA, or Exponential Moving Average. This is a weighted moving average that focuses on current dated points and stock price movements. Basically, on your charts, as stocks cross above or below the EMA, this will let you know if we're into a bullish trend or a bearish trend. And last but not least, we have our volume indicator. This indicator is basically going to let you know how many shares of a stock or how many options contracts are being traded over a certain period of time. Rising volume with the volume indicator will let you know that this is an optimal time to buy, sell, trade, and altogether, the investors and traders are very active. Decreasing volume means that you probably shouldn't be buying, selling, or even trading because the traders and investors are very inactive and there's not going to be many opportunities to capitalize off of stock price movements. So, all in all, these are the top 3 indicators you should look into if you want to be profitable as a beginner trader. And of course, for more detailed explanations of these indicators, for more money-making tips and investing content, make sure you hit that follow button.